I didn't build a quantum computer. I built one qubit. And that single qubit explains why quantum computing is terrifyingly powerful. Everyone talks about quantum like it's magic. Shor's algorithm, breaking crypto, infinite speed. But nobody shows you the first brick. So I decided to build it myself. A normal bit is boring, 0 or 1. A qubit is illegal by classical logic. It's 0 and 1 at the same time, until you look. That's superposition. And everything starts there. I didn't have $1 billion lab, no dilution fridge, no Google budget. So I built the simplest real qubit possible. A photonic qubit, encoded in a single photon, using real optics and real quantum gates. Not theory, not slides. A working qubit. Step 1. Define a quantum state. For photons, that state lives in paths, or polarization. Ket psi equals alpha ket 0 plus beta ket 1. 2 paths, 1 photon. Probabilities encoded in amplitudes. Already weird.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Then I applied the most important gate in quantum computing, the Hadamard gate. In photonics, that's a beam splitter. One input photon enters and leaves in 2 coherent paths. 50% here, 50% there. Perfect superposition. This is where the magic begins. Now here's the scary part. The moment I detect the photon, the qubit collapses. One detector clicks, the other stays silent. All possibilities vanish. Reality chooses. This single photonic qubit already does something impossible classically. Add a second photon, states multiply. At entanglement, things explode. In photons, you're exploring astronomical state spaces. That's why classical computers lose. No, one photonic qubit won't break Bitcoin. But scale this, and SHA-256 starts sweating. Elliptic curves panic. Security becomes math versus physics. And physics usually wins. The biggest lie about quantum computing is that it's about speed. It's not. It's about representation. Photonic quantum computers don't brute force faster. They interfere realities together. That's the cheat code. When my photon finally behaved, interference exactly as predicted, I realized something. The future doesn't arrive all at once. It starts with one qubit. If you want to see me scale this to multiple photons, build entanglement, or push photonic quantum logic further, subscribe. This is just the beginning.